Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add or create a prism effect to create shadows on your video. So first you can just start by adding your clips to CapCut and go to the video effects. Here swipe the category until you find the Christmas category, and then here you can just choose which one that you want to use. You can use this kaleidoscope effect, so it will have a shadow like this, or you can also use the circular prism like this, and there are so many other effects that you can try. Okay, I'm going to just use the circular prism in here, and after that adjust it to all of your clips. And if you want, you can also add another effects. For example, you want to add some sparkle, you can go to the star category and add, for example, this gleam effect, or maybe the sparkle one. See, okay, dreamland, let's try dreamland. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. Just click on the check icon and you are done with the prism and shadow effects. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.